2022 McLaren Artura first look, stretching the supercar envelope. Artura seeks to simultaneously improve performance and efficiency, stability and agility, engagement and refinement. Behold the most radically new McLaren since the 2011 MP4-12C. Everything from its carbon tub, to its engine, to its hybrid transmission's electric motor, and even its refreshingly non-numeric moniker has been clean sheet reimagined. The 2022 McLaren Artura aims to introduce the throttle responsiveness and silent city center operation, not to mention 129 G/km CO2 emissions compliance, that electrification promises, but with little or no weight penalty relative to its pure petrol competitors in the mid-$200,000 price range, chiefly the Lamborghini Huracan, Ferrari F8 Tributo, and Maserati MC20. What's the engine in the 2022 McLaren Artura? Paradigms have been shifted and sacred cows sacrificed as McLaren's trusty 90-degree twin-turbo V8s, displacing 3.8 to 4.0 litres across all fitments, give way to a brand new M630 twin-turbo 3.0-litre V6. This new engine's coolest feature is its wide 120-degree hot V layout. That angle improves performance by reducing exhaust pressure losses and substantially lowers the engine's overall height. This in turn lowers the car's center of gravity for better handling. The engine features 5,100 direct fuel injection, the V8s are port injected, and variable valve timing on both cams, but there are no other functional novelties. It is cast using 3D printed cores for optimal block cooling, a Formula One trick. Dry sump lubrication uses a 4-stage scavenge pump. Lopping off 2 cylinders and moving the accessory and cam drives to the back shortens the engine by 5.9 inches relative to the V8s. Weighing just 353 pounds, it's 110 pounds lighter than McLaren's V8. At 3.0 litres, it limbo into a substantially lower tax bracket in countries that assess taxes based on engine displacement, making the Artura more appealing to customers there. The rich didn't get rich by blowing money. How powerful is the new V6 engine? Output of the engine alone is rated at 577 HP at 7,500 RPM and 431 pound-foot of torque from 2,250 to 7,000 RPM. The shorter, stiffer crankshaft and big bore, short-stroke design ensure this new engine can achieve McLaren's trademark 8,500 RPM redline, as well, and we're told special attention has been paid to its acoustics, which are augmented by piping actual engine sounds into the cabin with no stereophonic tomfoolery. What's an axial flux motor? McLaren is an early adopter of a new type of electric motor that arranges its permanent magnet poles parallel to the axis of rotation, hence, axial flux, rather than radiating out perpendicular to it, radial flux. Manufacturing the stator windings for motors of this type is more difficult, but the payoff is a more compact design that packs a far greater wallop per size and weight than radial flux motors can. It produces 94 HP and 166 pound-foot of torque. It's mounted between the engine and transmission with a clutch that can disconnect the engine, allowing the 7.4 kWh lithium-ion battery and electric motor to propel the Artura for up to 19 miles, on Europe's more generous WLTP test cycle, at speeds up to 75 miles per hour. The battery's chemistry is optimized for sustained energy, not instantaneous power.